Flows off right now, party and Paraty, we're outside right now, me and my G. Hey. Shot number 2. You know how we do. Just take in the scenery. Welcome to Brazil, bro. That one's strong, bro. I'm done. Wait, what's that? Instrument?
You want to film me? Okay.
Come on. Yo, listen. We're outside in Paraty, remix coming right now. So tight, Gyley like a subscribe. Flows off right now, party and Paraty. We're outside right now, me and my G. Local, out locally, Gyley from London. Folks was eating free. Oh, come on. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm outside. You know the vibe.
Siente todo en las cordilleras, montaña que lleva la persona que te acompaña. Siente la magia dentro de tu corazón, mientras también ya tenemos de mucho amor. Hatari Miuchi, Hatari Miuchi, Hatari Miuchi, Hatari Miuchi.
Hey.
Masa guerrero.
No. Obrigado, obrigado. Come on. Guys, I'm back. I'm here in Paraty, walking through the streets. Bumped into some cool guys today.
Hi.
But I've just been told that he's from Peru and he's moved to Brazil. So I just want to find out some more information on why and how comes. So, would you like to do the honors? But first of all, what's your name?
Soy Miguel Ángel, soy de Perú y mi nombre en quechua es Capacpurin, viajero del tiempo. Yo viajo con artesanato, existencia.
Okay, so he is Miguel Ángel from Peru.
Okay.
His native name, tu nombre nativo, you should say
Capacpurin.
Dilo otra vez.
Capacpurin.
That's his native name, I won't say it.
Capapuri.
There you go.
See, I got this.
And he's saying that he left Peru because he's doing this journey of self searching and self-finding himself. And he's sharing the art of Peru with all the people. And he was also telling me earlier that he's going all the way to Mexico.
Oh, for real? So wait, how long have you been in Brazil? And then how long are you going to go to Mexico?
¿Cuánto tiempo tienes en Brasil y cuándo te vas a ir a México?
Ahora estoy como un año en Brasil.
So he's been 1 year in Brazil.
Okay.
Para el 2025 estoy yendo a México
And he will...
a compartir mis conocimientos de nuestros ancestros.
So he's planning to go to Mexico in 2025, and he's willing to go and share his culture and learn about the original cultures of Mexico and the medicines of Mexico, and learn everything about their culture, because also there's a lot of history in Mexico as well.
What, is there lots of Mexican history to deal with Peru? Or is he got Mexican background for him to go to Mexico? Because he's from Peru, right?
Yeah. Te pregunta que si hay alguna conexión entre Perú y México en tus ancestros o en los ancestros.
Sí, siempre ha habido una conexión muy antigua de los chamanes a nivel de conciencia.
So he's saying that there's a lot of connection in between the different cultures of many different places in the world, including Peru and Mexico, and in many imaginaries and many thoughts they have, like for example Pachamama, which is a way to call the earth or Mother Nature. Pachamama,
no?
And if I may say, and this is something on my side, because I'm Mexican, I didn't.
Oh, for real?
Yes.
Okay.
So yeah, there is a lot of connection. Like there's always been a lot of connections between the indigenous people or the originary people of the Americas, because they have a lot of trails. So there's a lot of connection. Yes.
Yeah. And is that why he first initially moved to Brazil? Was your first stop from Peru, right?
¿Fue tu primer parada Brasil después de Perú?
No. De Latinoamérica, uno de los países que conozco de Latinoamérica.
¿Has estado en otros países?
Sí.
Sí. ¿Qué otros países?
Estoy en Ecuador, en Chile y estaba en Bolivia y ahora estoy en Brasil.
Oh, Chile.
So he's been in Ecuador, in Chile, and Bolivia, and then.
Okay. Oh, that's cool.
He's been around.
Yes. So you're having a cool journey of finding yourself and connecting to your ancestors.
Has tenido un viaje de encontrarte a ti mismo y encontrar tus ancestros.
Sí. Por ejemplo, aquí en Brasil conocí a los povos.
He's been sharing his culture with many indigenous people, originary people of Brazil, and actually he said he was in Brasilia sharing all this knowledge with them. And also he mentioned some cultures. ¿Puedes decir las culturas con las que compartiste otra vez?
Tapuyas, canelas, patachú, también querenas y yo que soy quechua.
All those are names of indigenous cultures of Brazil he's been sharing with. And also he's Quechua, so he's like connecting all these ancestralities.
And what's the difference between Quechua and Inca?
Oh, great. ¿Cuál es la diferencia entre Quechua e Inca?
Inca es la cima de la civilización, se puede decir la última cultura, o sea, reunió un solo imperio.
So he's speaking that the Inca were the last civilization that was created before the arrival of the Europeans. He's the top of the civilizations.
Okay.
It's all the connection of the very ancient civilizations from before the Inca that eventually became part of the Inca Empire that got them all together and made them go all the way into the top of the mountains.
See, I love that. See, so I actually, let me tell you, I don't know. I absolutely love that because he's here to share his whole ancestry and show people and give them knowledge about that. And I've literally just learned that being here with these guys. So, if you've got Instagram, you've got anything to shout so people could follow you, a shout out?
¿Quieres compartir alguna cosa más?
Un saludo para todo el mundo y solo decir Añay Chay Hayaya Pachamama, que significa en español gracias de todo corazón a la Pachamama, que es la madre cósmica que tiene toda la abundancia.
Thank you to Pachamama, that is the cosmical mother and is the helper of all of us.
Okay. And shout yourself out.
I am from Mexico.
No, but shout yourself out too, man. Your name. Tell them when people can find you.
Yes.
Give them your contact details.
Well, my name is Juan Jose, and I'm a capoeira professor. I've been in Brazil for the last 10 years of my life. I actually been researching and learning all about this Afro-Brazilian cultural expression. And I end up in Paraty because this is an amazing place to understand the history of the Brazilian culture, the Afro-Brazilian culture. Maybe you don't know this, or maybe you will learn this about later, but this was one of the important places that became a port for the enslaved people that was brought from Africa on their way to the mines. And actually we have a place where we believe we had the market of enslaved people and all this like terrible history. And capoeira is a cultural expression that they developed to escape from mistreatment and to resist and to become free with their own culture. and it eventually became a sport, and it can be seen as a fight and as a dance and as a martial art. It's a very complex cultural expression, and well, this is what I've been doing for the last 16 years of my life.
And shout out your Cachoeira school.
My Capoeira school is Gyley Noir in Mexico, but actually here in Brazil I go under the name Cachoeira Paraty, that you can find right there. There you go, thank you very much. And you just find Cachoeira Paraty everywhere, and you can find all my socials. Thank you.
See? Obrigado. Yeah.
Let's go, everybody ready? Now we're gonna hike, okay? We're gonna hike for 2 hours. Everybody ready to hike, to do a big hike?
For 2 hours? 2
Everybody
hours?
like to hike?
For 2 hours? How long?
I'm not sure if you like to hike. Some people look like afraid of hike. But don't worry, okay guys? It's 2 hours hiking if you walk slowly. If you walk fast, it's gonna be 1 hour and 59 minutes, okay? Okay? I joke, 10 minutes hike, okay?
So, yeah, what I was gonna say, bro.
We are gonna visit 2 waterfalls here, okay? The name of the first waterfall was in a waterfall. The second one, White Stone Waterfall. In the first stop, never stop for swimming. Usually stop in the first one just to have a look and take picture. Why not stop in the first one for swimming? Because it's a little danger, okay? Normally we see there poison animals like spider and snake.
Okay.
We have many kind of plants here. Look here, this tree, the big tree, and that one. Can you see there? Up there, there is one fruit. Look there, in this direction. Jackfruit, okay? This is jackfruit. The jackfruit grow everywhere here. But it's not native from Brazil, it's from Asia. During colonial time, the Portuguese people introduced many kind of plant in Brazil, many kind of fruit like jackfruit, sugar cane, banana, mango. Look there, you have many kind of banana. Okay, before going into the toilet, I recommend you check, because sometimes the snake go into the toilet looking for food, okay? You are in the nature, okay? It's normal, you are in the nature, okay? If you see snake, just take a picture, okay? Keep it 2 meters far. Don't go so close.
Boom! What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Gyley Noir, and I'm back with another video. And today we are on a tour in Paraty. You heard what my man had to say. We got a hike 2 hours. 2 hour hike, what you said?
We're back in the jungle, back where we belong.
Amazon boys.
We're veterans now. This is nothing.
Manaus gang. Old Toto and Tiago and them, man. Nah, but yeah, you heard what my man had to say of this tour. I want you guys to share the same experience as us. Your boys are in Paraty. We've been traveling everywhere. Stay tuned, enjoy, sit back, relax, get a cuppa, have your breakfast. If it's morning, get a bowl of porridge. Watch this content. If it's lunchtime, get a panini. Don't know why it's a panini. If it's dinner, supper, you know the jazz, man. Just watch the team. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned. It's your boy Gyley. What are you saying, Dan?
I don't know how the path in the middle of the jungle is better than the streets of Paraty. The old ankle rollers.
The ankle roller 5,000 in Paraty. You see all the cobblestones, all the pebbles, you saw that. Very dangerous, you know. But at least we're alright here. But nature lovers, I hear the waterfall. Can y'all hear that? Can you not hear that? Listen out, listen out, listen out.
Yeah, I don't know.
Boss. Told them.
Hello, man. How are you?
We outside. What waterfall is this one called?
Poço da Usina.
Poço
And
da
up
Usina.
there, Wildest Waterfall.
We're going
in
up there.
in Portuguese, Cachoeira da Pedra Branca. Up there we are going to swim.
Cachoeira,
Okay,
Pedra
my
Branca.
friend.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Welcome to Brazil.
Yeah. So here you have it. There's the first waterfall, guys. It's amazing. Just taking the scenery. Welcome to Brazil, man. Do you know what? Let me get closer for you lot. Wait. What's man playing at? Let me get closer. What are we doing? What are we doing here? Hold on. Yeah, like I was saying, we're closer, we back. Attention, 5 meters. Yeah, I'm closer for you guys, I'm saying it bare times aloud because I know the waterfall's bare loud, but we outside. It's amazing, man. It's amazing. Did someone drop? Did someone drop or something drop? What drop?
Drop the sunglasses.
Oh, that's gone, bro. Yeah, the sunglasses are gone. But we haven't.
Oh yeah.
The selfie gang. Just joined in. What you saying?
Get a photo of all of us.
What you saying?
Look at this view. I feel like Peter Andre.
Oh, mysterious.
Where's Mooney gone? Is he too scared?
Yeah, he's scared. I think he saw a spider or something. Oh.
Did he?
Dan, what you saying?
One more time. Oh.
Yeah, I need to jump in there. So. We can't swim in that one, but
Nice though.
yeah, it's amazing, man.
Dangerous.
Welcome to Brazil.
Brasil! Paraty!
Okay, so first, welcome everybody, good morning, and my name is Nicholas, guys. I can display for you now a little bit of our process here to make the cachaças. So it's the first time everyone at the distillery? Yeah?
Yep.
Okay, so I have to say, guys, I'm gonna show you now this process, but this is something more from us because this process is gonna change from another place. Okay, so over here we're gonna start with the sugar cane. We had planted around, you can see up there. Has more up front, apex of that building, the entrance. We have 6 hectares about cane sugar. We are not enough with this. We're gonna bring sugar cane from another place to complete our production here. All the cane is gonna be received in that building up there. Now the cane is gonna be separate, clean, and the rest of the cane we call it bagaço. We can make 2 things with this. One, this could be a compostation using solos, partition around. Another thing, it's bird. You can see this, I have the other one. It has 2 boilers like this, and all the vapor from the boiler we heat to the instruments inside of the building. Okay, so we're gonna heat the vapor to boil in the boiler to warm this. We're gonna use the wood and the bagaço. So now inside of the building, I'm gonna show you has 3 different cooks. Come with me. You're gonna see all of them. Okay, so now guys, over here in that building, it has 3 different places. One is the fermentation room, is this one outside. It's the first place you're gonna use. When you see this door at your right, you're gonna see the first thing we're gonna use. So this tank over there, over here, we're gonna fill this tank with the juice of the cane, and the first thing it has to do with this is correctly what we call bricks. That means how much sugar it has in this. Has a point to keep this, because when you make a fermentation with more alcohol than, with more sugar than we needed, we're gonna extract more alcohol than we needed. So it has a point to keep this. After we correct this, we're gonna make 1,200 liters. And we're gonna divide in 8 parts. Inside of this place, outside, you're gonna see has 8 tanks. And inside of this tanks, we're gonna put a little bit of the juice and the yeast. The yeast is gonna eat all the sugar in this, turn to alcohol for 24 hours. After this, the yeast stops this fermentation, we go to the bottom of the tank, and we're gonna repeat this process until we complete the tank for 3 days. After 3 days, inside of the tanks has inside wine from cane, or the most traditional name is mucungo. So this with alcohol, now we could still over here. So this over here, we're gonna keep it between 60 and 70 degrees. This another one, we're gonna warm between 96 and 98 degrees. When you warm like this, the alcohol starts to evaporate, go through the equivalent until past in the top, where it has a piece, we call it deflagimador. Basically, that's the future of alcohol, okay? So now guys, I'm gonna show you the final products of the cachaça here at the shop. To taste, okay? And I'm gonna teach you what we call a technique to drink. This is gonna be something more tasteful when you try this, okay? So over here we're gonna start with a pure cachaça, okay? First thing, when you pick up something like this, take your breath. When you put the shot at your mouth, you're gonna swish this for 3-4 seconds.
Push the bite out here.
When you swallow, still breathing just from the nose.
Boss, how'd you do it? How'd you do it? Take a breath and breathe in.
Now switch, swallow, and breathe from the nose. That will be just breathe with the nose.
Why not? Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Sure. Did you like it? Did you like it?
No.
So guys,
I wouldn't think that's traffic. Burning. Is that burning?
Shot number 2. You know how we do.
Obrigado. Safe.
Oh wait. Remember how you told us to do it? Yeah, you go. That one's strong, bro. What was that?
That was the third one down.
Yeah, that's a madness.
Obrigado.
Can I try the banana one?
I might get this one. Gabriela first. Big one.
So what you go? That's really banana.
It's fine because you don't need to be necessarily like a cartoon like.
Wait, say that again.
Yeah, you don't need to be a cartoon like.
Imagine.
Like this. just
Alright, give me.
Get the cabrilla.
Wait, let me try tangerine.
Get the cabrilla.
Okay, wait, look.
Swish. Swallow. From the nose.
That's banging. That's banging. That's banging.
Cabrilla is decent. It's different everyone.
So breathe in like a cartoon.
Bang it.
See, I told you.
Bang it.
Alright, Gabriella, yeah? Gabriella. Bro, wait, compared to the orange one, you make me have that. No, I'm done. I'm sorry, guys. Nah, you stitched me up.
It's Gabriella's banging.
It's not. Stick to the tangerine or the banana. One of your 5 a day, mate. But I'm finito. But hope you guys are enjoying the content so far. Hope you enjoyed the waterfalls tour that we saw today. It's not done. The distillery tour today, it's not done. Because we're gonna go get some food. So I'm rocking on a rocking chair now. The backdrop's nice. This country's lovely, man. Just a bit of self-reflecting about this whole experience so far. It's been a humbling experience, especially with the Amazon. Like being out there was super, super hot. Being around all the creepy crawlies, all the animals and that. I don't think I had it in me, but like I said in the previous, if you remember, it's time to get comfortable being uncomfortable, you know what I mean? So that's the most important thing. And it's always good to like reflect and just appreciate things. Especially when you was in the Amazon, we hardly had anything. Wi-Fi wasn't working too tough like that. Do you know what I mean? So it made you feel really grounded. It makes you appreciate things more. And this whole trip as well, like Brazil, people are super, super friendly, man. Hospitality is 10 out of 10. The food is chef's kiss, 10 out of 10. And you know I love eating, boy. So I'm gonna get some food now. But I just wanted to take some time out from this video right now, this content right now, and just tell you, look, thank you for watching as well. I appreciate all of this, all of the love that you lot show. And I'll continue to pursue and give you more content, good content as well. So, like I always say, it's been your joy, Gyley Noir. Peace and much, bulletproof rock. It's not done. Anyway, this ain't done. We're gonna get some food now. And straight after the foods, we're gonna go to another waterfall. It has like, he was telling me, the tour man was telling me, the local boys go there and they go do some skateboarding down the waterfall. And I was like, actually, that's a bit extreme. But you know I like extreme stuff, boy. Man jumped out 12,000 feet a couple of days ago in Sao Paulo for you guys. So, but continue to watch the content. Keep on liking the content if you like the content. Keep on sharing the content if you like the content. Keep on subscribing if you haven't subscribed yet. Subscribe. What are you doing? What are you waiting on, man? Just subscribe now. Subscribe now for me, man. Come on, support your boy. But get some scran and then head to this other waterfall. But the distillery as well, boy, those drinks, boy, the little shots like that from sugarcane, strong, strength, boy. It's like the shot's been having protein shake and that. So I'm shaking on this, but yeah, let me go get some food and then stay tuned, man. Peace.
Gracias.
Dan. Raw. Aye. Mooney's last words. What do you think it is? Ah.
His boobs got up and down.
Yeah.
What was that? Jumping into this waterfall. So pray for me when I go to do it. So stay tuned. I just hope I don't mash myself up there. Hold tight travel insurance. But until then, wait until you see me doing all of that. Pray for Gyley.
We visit the Tobogã, the big sliding, local place there, local people sliding there, surfing on the rock. We have a good restaurant over there, good bar, good drinks, caipirinha, beer, cold beer, açaí, and good music. People play very well there, samba, forró. Come on to Brazil, come on to Paraty. Thank you. Thank you so much, my friend.
Come to Paraty.
Come to Paraty. And you follow Gyley. Gyley is the best.
My G.
Nice
you heard him there say like, comment, subscribe. You saw a man go down the waterfall. Now we're gonna have some time to just chill here and relax. So I hope you enjoyed the content. Like the video if you like the video. Share the video if you like the video. It's been your boy Gyley Noir. Peace. My bulletproof love.